How to fix Telegram download stuck. So if you're facing a problem with your Telegram and if your downloads are stuck, then you need to simply open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go for the search and search for Telegram. Once you've searched, here you may have an update option. So if you have an update option, simply tap on update and update your application, and once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply uninstall the application and you can again install it from your Play Store or App Store, and then you can log into your account. Once you've done that, you can simply tap and hold on to your Telegram application, tap on app info, go for storage and cache, and go for clear cache. Once you go for clear cache, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then once doing all of these settings, you need to simply restart your device. And once you've restarted, now this problem will be fixed. So that's how you fix your Telegram download stuck. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.